Hi, I'm Paul Martin, Head of IT at Graham & Brown. Graham & Brown are a wallpaper retailer and manufacturer based in Blackburn. We have sales divisions across Australia, China, US, Canada, France and Holland. We sell directly to large retailers such as B&Q and Homebase, as well as direct to our consumers via our website, marketplaces and retail stores. The company was founded in 1946 by two friends, Harold Graham and Henry Brown. Shortly after the war, there was a shortage of paper. Harold and Henry had the foresight to buy some metallic foil and an embossing machine. They used this to create their first wallpaper, and that's where our wallpaper revolution started. Through the 1980s, the company grew internationally, as well as launching our advert for Super Fresco, which became incredibly catchy. Graham & Brown is utilising technology to help improve the efficiencies across our B2B channel, as well as helping our customer journey. So using augmented reality to be able to allow a customer to see what wallpaper would look like on their walls before they buy them. Graham & Brown were looking to bring in a software partner to help scale up our development team very quickly. We had a lot of work to do on our project roadmap and we needed to bring in some people in a cost-efficient way. We looked at recruiting and also resourcing via interns, but it would have took a large amount of time and been very expensive for the business. We decided to look externally for a partner so we could scale up the development team quickly. When it came to selecting a short list of partners, we wanted software partners that were very good at communication, but also very good at technology. So those that had experience in .NET and Microsoft Azure. We wanted partners who'd also had experience in retail and worked on similar projects that we had in our roadmap. We selected Godel as a partner because from day one we were really impressed of how they worked with us. The team came here to speak about their technical skills and also understand a lot more about our business and our project roadmap. They helped us talk through this with their technical team based in Minsk, and we even went over there to go speak to them and meet how they worked with other retail partners. Having worked with the initial team before, it was easy to see where Godel will give us a lot more advantages, especially over the other team that we were looking at, which was based in Poland. They were a lot more understanding about what our business wanted to do, and they certainly had a lot more experience around the retail market, especially integration with third-party suppliers and end clients. Our first project with Godel was an exciting project involving innovative technologies. We wanted to produce quickly a solution to be able to show wallpaper on the wall using projectors, with the wallpaper being selected from an app. The two teams worked very closely together over a period of 6 weeks and improved their communications as well as their processes for delivering the work. We were really impressed with the team in Godel, how they set up a release pipeline and set up the automated testing very quickly. Each week we released this to the business and gave them a demonstration to it, and it was an absolute success. Our next project with Godel was integration with Sorted Pro to allow our consumers more delivery options online. The Godel team moved this onto Azure using serverless technologies such as Logic Apps. This helped streamline the process, gave us a lot more efficiency and a lot more logging and analytics of how the system was working. Again, this was a large success and we've seen a large uplift in our sales on our website due to the new services being offered. We continued to deliver more serverless functions by writing a single order channel that held all our EDI integrations with new customers. This saved us a large amount of money and a large amount of time for onboarding new clients. Godel have facilitated a lot of cost savings for Graham & Brown on our business-to-business channel. With the new EDI processes and logistic processes, the company will be saving a large amount of money over the next 12 to 24 months. The relationship between Godel and Graham & Brown has worked incredibly well. We started by bringing over members of the team to go work here in Blackburn to understand more about our business and our culture and to get a good fit with the rest of the team we have here. This has really helped build a relationship between the two teams, and we've seen that when it's been on the video conferencing too. The teams have worked very closely together using Kanban or Scrum depending on the size of the project and how urgent the project is. They've communicated incredibly well using the video conferencing as well as using things like Slack. There have been challenges along the way, but with the first project that we worked on with the immense time pressure, the teams got to know each other very well. All the communication was streamlined so the team could focus on the rest of the day of getting the development done, and the release pipeline certainly helped the team get the product out quickly into our customers' hands. The feedback from Godel was really good about how we should write our user stories better to help all the teams move through the Kanban board a lot quicker and get the projects delivered in a more timely fashion. The communication with Godel has been outstanding, both at the technical level and also with the account managers. The technical team learn a lot from the feedback we get from Godel on a weekly basis, and we have monthly account meetings with the account management team at Godel. If I was to sum up Godel in 3 words, it would be perfect extended team.